10 minus 10, then times 10 minus 10. 10 minus 10 equals 0. And again here we have 10 minus 10. So 0 times 0 is just 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 10 times 10 is just 100. So 10 minus 100, then minus 10. Now we have to do this subtraction. 10 minus 100 is just negative 90. So negative 90 minus 10 is just negative 100. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 100.